Good afternoon. My name is Manmeet Banerjee, and I'm a student in the Prague batch. This is my first capstone project. The title is Introduction to Computer Programming. This is a Python project. I'm required to answer any five questions selected and explain their solution. So I've completed my project, and let's start with the first question. Here it is given about a cricket match. An operator worked behind the scoreboard of Alma Beta cricket tournament and is responsible for updating the score and the points. So the tournament results is given. We have won three matches. Win point. Sorry, the point for winning the matches is three. The point for losing the match is zero, and the draw if both team have the same points, draw is 1 point. Now Team London has played eight matches in this tournament, and they have won four matches and lost three matches, and drew. The draw was one. Now the operator is in need of an assistant to calculate the total number of points earned by the team by using Python. Okay, so what I have done, first I have defined a variable or a fixed value to the uh, to the points. So win is equal to 3 points, draws is equal to one, and losses is equal to zero. So I have stored this in this variables in this containers. Total win four, total draw one, and total losses three. So these are the points, and these are the matches that have won, lost, or drawn. Now to calculate the total point, the logical formula should be I have formed a container London underscore points. The variable is given. Now Python works in on the mathematical BODMAS method. First bracket, multiplication, division, subtraction, addition. So according to that, total points for London would be total wins into win plus total draw into draw plus total losses into losses. That has given. Now we will print that. The print command is given. Print London points, and the total score is 30. So this is the completion for the explanation of our first problem. Now the second problem I have selected to explain is measuring the accuracy of the disease detection model. So we have given the result of an model which which uh, detects the possibility of having the disease out of the total number of persons. So it is written here the model's accuracy is defined as the percentage of correctly detected cases out of the total number of patients. So what we have been given here is the main thing. This is a database of 100 patients. 30 was with diabetes, 45 with heart disease, and 25 with cancer. After the model evaluation, the model was evaluated in three rounds. In the first round, the model correctly detected diabetes in 25 out of 30 patients. In second round, it detected heart disease of 35 out of 45 patients. And in the final round, it detected cancer in 20 out of 25 patients. Now we have to access the accuracy of these three diseases. So now what logic we should follow? First, we have to assign a variable or a container to uh, all the parameters we have or all the units we have. So we have total number of patients for heart disease, diabetes disease, and cancer. So I have used the container or the variable heart underscore disease underscore total is equal to 45. Now there are rules for in Python that the variable should not start with any numerical or any special character. It can contain numerical afterwards or special character afterwards. It cannot start with it. And Python is character specific. So capital H and small h is considered as different characters. All right. So we have used heart underscore disease underscore total, which is 45 to store the number of heart disease patient. Same for diabetes underscore total, and cancer underscore total. Now the number of total number of patients which are correctly guessed or the accuracy of the results. So for heart disease, out of 45, 35 was correct. So heart underscore disease underscore correct. This is the variable I have used. Diabetes underscore correct and cancer underscore correct. All right. Now the total patients and the total correct patients out of that. So total patient is equal to diabetes total plus heart total plus cancer total. And total correct patients is equal to diabetes underscore correct plus heart underscore correct plus cancer underscore correct. All right. Now to calculate the accuracy is calculated into the percentage. The mathematical formula for it is number of correct means result divided by total number of units given into 100. So in this case, first we will find out for the heart disease accuracy. I've used the variable or the container as heart underscore disease underscore accuracy. which is equal to heart disease total heart disease correct divided by total heart disease total. So here the heart disease correct is 35 divided by the heart disease total, which is 45. All right, into 100. So now the main thing, the print function, how I would like to print it. I have used the app function. Uh, it is a prefix given. When you put it, you can use a container inside the print function. So I have used the app function. After that, semicolon, the heart disease detection, oblique n is next line. So the thing after that will be printed in the next line. So first line is heart disease detection, oblique n, next line, accuracy of disease detection model, next line, the variables we want to include. Now, when we have to print the variable, we will use the curly brackets. This is a rule given in Python. So I have to print this variable hard underscore disease underscore accuracy, curly bracket this, semicolon. Now this 0.2f means I want to print two decimals of the results, and f indicates it's float. It's in the data type float. It should be in the data type float. So it has printed the result. It's 77.78 percentage, which I've included, and bracket close. So like this, I have printed this. The heart disease detection accuracy of the disease detection model is 77.78%. Similarly, for the diabetes, it's 83.33%, and for overall for cancer is 80%. Now for the overall, we have for this uh, we have taken the variable total underscore patients, and we have total number of the diabetes, hearts, and cancer in that, and which will be divided by the total correctness. Total correctness will be divided by the total number of patients into 100. So the overall accuracy or the overall percentage is 80%. So this ends the explanation of our second problem. Now for the third explanation, the problem I have selected is of the library. We have to find the total number of E's in the given list of books. The question uh, has a means I think the question is specifically made for confusion. The question is finding total A's in the bookshelves. The total A's, letter A's in the bookshelf. The question is given that I am in a library and I'm a Python enthusiast. And in this library, the salesperson presents me with a challenge. They have a list of 5 books that is related to Python, and they want me to write a program to find the count of letter E. The store will give, and if I found it, the store will give the book for free. So the title asks to find the letter A, and the question asks to find the letter E. So I found the letter E. The books are given: Python for Everyone, Learn Python the Hard Way, Python's Crash Course, Starting Out with Python, Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. So all these books are contained in a variable books. All right, and these are strings. As we can see, they are in the hyphen. So these are strings. Now, what we want to find out is the count of E. Now, the Python is character specific. So capital E and small e are both different for Python. So what I have done, I have created two separate variables, two separate containers. One is e underscore count, small e underscore count, which count the letter small e in our variable books in this list of string. And second is capital E underscore counts, which count the e in this books. Now this function dot counts gives you the count of the specific character which you want to find. After that, I will total it. Total underscore e underscore counts is the variable I have given the container, which contains e underscore counts, count of small e plus count of capital E. And we will print it using the same function. The prefix f is used, that I can print the container inside the string which I have to print. So the total number of e's, small e's in the letter book is 8. Now I've found out the total number of all the e's. If it was just because I interpreted the question as to find out the total number of all the e's present in this. in every title. It might be capital E or small e. That's why I've forwarded with this approach. So the total number of e's, small e and capital E included, is 8. Now for our fourth question, I have selected the Goa trip question to uh, to display the understanding of logical operators. Now, in this question, what we have given that we have two bags, one weighs 15 kgs, another weighs 5 kgs, and the airline policy is the both bags should weigh less than 13 kgs to board the flight. The airline has a strict policy that both of your bags must weigh less than 13 kgs. Now we will make it into a Python problem. All right, we'll solve it for Python. So the information we have been given is the weight of the bag and the limit of the airlines. So I have defined the weight of the bags in two variables, bag one underscore weight, which is 15 kgs, and bag two underscore weight, which is 5 kgs. Now we will check if both bags weight less than 13 kgs. For that, we will use the conditional statement if else. Now, the statement goes that if bag one underscore weight and bag two underscore weight is less than 13. All right. Now we can see that the bag one weight is more than 30 and bag two weight is less than 30. But this and logical operator, this conveys that either bag one or bag two, both will be considered. If any one of this is not less than 13 kgs, then it will print sorry you cannot go through. And if both of them are less than 13 kgs, the else statement will follow and will print enjoy your trip. So as we run the program, it has print sorry you can't go through because bag one is 15, which is greater than 13. So it is not justifying this conditional statement. All right. Now there is one more logical reasoning that is given. Now it's look like we have a problem with our bag, but don't worry, the crew has offered a solution. They have said if at least one of the bag weighs less than 6 kgs, we can still board the flight. So this at least one of the bags to explain this same thing, but what we will use the or logical operator. So if bag one weights less than 6 or bag two weights less than 6, that means if either one of them weights less than 6 kgs, then we can go through. Now bag one is obviously 15 kgs is weight more than 6 kgs, but bag two weights less than 6 kgs, which is 5 kgs. So it's either or. So this logical operator in and what we have seen that either one of them for the condition, both have to satisfy condition. If one has been satisfying condition, it will not go through. It will go through the else statement. All right. But here, if any one of this satisfy the condition, it will print the if statements. And if both are not satisfying the condition, it will print the else statement. All right. So it has print as our bag two is weight less than 6 kgs. It has print enjoy your trip. So this is the explanation for the logical operators. For our fifth question, we have selected the fruit seller question, which explains the understanding of sets. Now, what sets is? Sets is a collection of sets is an unordered collection of unique values. So we can't have duplicates in sets. All right. So the question goes that a store seller sells different type of fruits in baskets. Now the storekeeper keeps tracks of the availability of each fruit types in separate sets. The storekeeper wants to know which fruits are available in both baskets, which fruits are unique to each basket, and the total number of fruits available. All right. So what I have done, I have created two baskets. Actually, the two baskets are given in the form of sets. Basket one has apple, banana, grapes, and oranges, and basket twos have banana, mango, pineapple, orange. So these are just variable container which contains a set which has this strings in it. In our logical understanding, these are fruits in the baskets. Now, for the total fruits, to find out the total fruits, we have to use the len function. The len function will give us the count of total fruits. Now, to do that, we have to add both the baskets. Now, for set to add two set, we will use a union function. The function which should be used to add both the basket is called union. So what I've done, I have used basket one dot union bracket basket two. All right, so this will add basket one and basket two. And after adding that, it will find the total count of the elements present in the basket. Now, as set is unorganized collection of unique elements, So it will only print the unique element. It won't print orange twice. It won't print banana twice because they are in basket one also, in basket two also. So as I've given the print command, all the available fruits in both baskets. It's apple, pineapple, grape, mango, banana, orange. Six fruits are a total number of fruits are six. All right. Now to find the fruits available in both baskets. So both basket I have given the container, basket one, union basket two. It will print the first one I have given is the length, total number of fruits, total number of unique fruits. So we know that apple, banana, grape, orange, mango, pineapple. These are the total number of fruits. So six fruits are shown, printed. Now the name of the fruits that are available in both the basket. So we have used the union function. It will give the available fruits in both basket and won't repeat. So it has given apple, pineapple, grape, mango, banana, orange. Now to find the common fruit in both the baskets. For that we have the function called intersection. This will find out the uh, element which are present in both sets, and it will provide us with only with the element which are present in both sets. Intersection function. So what I've done, I have used the container common underscore fruits, the variable, and basket one dot intersection bracket basket two. So intersection function gives us the common fruit, which is apple, uh, which is banana and orange, which is common in both the basket, banana and orange. Now we have to find the unique fruits to each basket. All right. The fruit which is available in basket one and not in basket two, and the fruit which is available in basket two and not in basket. So for this, we use the function difference that is given for the set. So unique to basket one is basket one dot difference bracket basket two to find the fruit which is available only in basket one and which is unique. All right. And for the second unique basket two dot difference basket one. It will give us the fruits or the element which is only available in basket two and not in basket. So for the fruits to basket one, fruit unique to basket one is given apple and grapes, and fruit unique to basket two is given pineapple and mango. So this is my explanation and understanding of sets in Python. Thank you. This completes the video presentation. I have to explain any five questions, and I've explained that. Uh, Thank you and have a nice day.